What is next for Troption Gold and Troption Pay? Welcome to the fifth and final article in our series exploring Troptions Gold and Troptions Pay. If you've followed along, you've learned about their origins, unique features, practical use cases, and how they stand out in the crowded crypto landscape. Now it's time to gaze into the crystal ball and speculate on what lies ahead for these innovative tokens. With upcoming developments, a shifting regulatory landscape, and the promise of a decentralized future, Troptions Gold and Troptions Pay could be on the cusp of something big. Will Troptions be the crypto that finally bridges the gap between digital and physical? Let's look ahead. The Troptions ecosystem isn't standing still. It's gearing up for an exciting future. One of the most anticipated moves is the potential for new exchange listings. While Troptions has already established itself as a proof-of-use utility token, broader availability on major exchanges could skyrocket its visibility and accessibility. Imagine Troptions Gold and Troptions Pay trading alongside heavyweights like Bitcoin and Ethereum, opening the door for more investors and merchants to join the fold. Another game-changer on the horizon is Web3 blockchain integration. As the internet evolves toward decentralization, Troptions is poised to leverage this shift. Operating on the Bitcoin blockchain already gives it a solid foundation, but deeper integration with Web3 technologies could enhance its functionality. Think smart contracts, decentralized apps, or even tokenized ecosystems that connect buyers, sellers, and traders seamlessly across borders. Global expansion is also in the cards. Troptions Pay, with its focus on everyday transactions, has the potential to become a go-to medium of exchange in markets where traditional banking is limited or crypto adoption is surging, like parts of Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Meanwhile, Troption Gold, with its emphasis on stability and value preservation, could appeal to investors worldwide looking for a reliable digital asset in uncertain times. The Troption team has hinted at partnerships and initiatives to broaden its footprint, and 2025 could be a breakout year. The recent revocation of SAB 121, a controversial SEC accounting rule that made it tough for institutions to custody crypto, has sent ripples through the industry. Announced earlier this year under the Trump administration, this move is a green light for banks and financial institutions to dive into the crypto space without the burdensome red tape. For Troptions, this could be a golden opportunity. With SAB 121 out of the way, institutional adoption of crypto is expected to surge, bringing more liquidity and legitimacy to the market. Troption, with its 21-year track record as a stable, utility-driven digital currency, could attract traditional financial players looking for a dependable entry point into digital assets. Troption Pay, meanwhile, could ride the wave of increased merchant adoption as businesses seek efficient, decentralized payment solutions. As crypto adoption grows, projected to reach over 400 million wallets worldwide by year's end, Troption's practical, real-world focus could give it an edge over speculative coins. So where could Troptions take us in the long run? Let's dream big. Troptions Pay has already proven its chops as a fast, reliable way to buy goods and services. Think of it as a digital cash alternative without the middleman. As decentralized economies gain traction, it could evolve into a global barter token, letting people trade value directly, no fiat required. Picture a world where you swap Troptions. Pay for a coffee in New York, a car repair in Paris, or a freelance gig in Tokyo. All peer-to-peer, instant, and borderless. Troptions Gold, on the other hand, could redefine how we store and exchange value. In a volatile market, its stability, rooted in real-world utility rather than hype, makes it a contender for the digital gold crown. As more people seek alternatives to fiat currencies plagued by inflation, Troptions Gold might become a cornerstone of personal and business wealth preservation. Together, these tokens could bridge the gap between the digital and physical economies. Troptions Pay handles the day-to-day, while Troptions Gold anchors the bigger picture. It's a one-two punch that could make Troptions a household name in a decentralized future. The future of Troptions. Gold and Troptions Pay is bright, but it's not set in stone. It's up to the community, the innovators, and you. Will they become the backbone of a new cryptocurrency economy, a staple in global trade, or perhaps a lifeline for unbanked populations? Only time will tell, but one thing's clear. Their focus on utility, not speculation, gives them a unique shot at longevity. We'd love to hear your predictions. Where do you see Troptions in 2030? Drop your thoughts in the comments and stay in the loop by following Troptions' official channels for the latest updates. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, a merchant, an investor, or just curious, now's the time to get involved and shape the future of this promising ecosystem. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Here's to what's next. Visit troptionsexchange.io